So friends, if you are using YONO SBI application and if you want to know how to add beneficiary or payee account in this app, then this is the video for you. I'm going to guide you through each and every step, but before that, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. Now, the very first thing you have to do is just simply open YONO SBI application and complete the login process. Now, once the application is completely started, this is the kind of basic interface you will be able to see on your mobile screen. Now, this is the new interface for YONO SBI application. So if you're still using older version, then you might see the things are different over there. So I would request you to please update to the latest application, and then you will be able to see the new interface. Also, one more thing, it doesn't matter if you're using an iPhone or an Android phone, the process to add beneficiary account is going to be the same. Now, once you are on home page, all you have to do is just simply go to fund transfer option over here. So if I select fund transfer, you get multiple options. Select the second option, which is send money. Now, as soon as you select the send money option, it will take you to the next page, and over here you get an option of add pay, which is you can add beneficiary account using this particular button over here. So select that option, go to the next page. Now, whichever account you are adding, make sure to select that particular bank only. For example, if you are adding an account which is of IFSC bank, then you have to select IFSC over here. But the account which you are adding is of SBI bank, then you can select SBI over here. I'm going to add bank account of IndusInd Bank, so I have searched for that, select that particular bank, and it will take you to the next page. Over here you need to enter the account number, you have to confirm the account number. The name will be verified automatically once you enter the account number. You can add nickname over here, and you can also set per transaction limit by just moving this particular toggle. Now let me enter the details and show you the next step. Now, as you all can see, I have entered the account details. If I go down, it will ask me to select per transaction limit. The maximum limit is up to 25 lakh, and there is also an information which says this is the maximum amount that can be transferred to a payee per transaction. Also, setting 0 will block all transaction to the payee, so make sure you don't set it to 0. You can select whichever limit you want. For now, I am going to keep it 5 lakhs only, that is per transaction limit. Tap on proceed option, and on the next page it will ask you to authenticate. You can use OTP option if you want to, by visiting SBI ATM and by visiting SBI branch. OTP is the easiest way, so select OTP authentication and tap on proceed option. You will receive an OTP on your registered number. Enter the OTP and submit it. So as you all can see, I have entered the OTP. Let's tap on submit option, and now you can see we have got a successful message saying that payee addition request received. Also, keep one thing in mind, that you will be able to transfer funds after 60 minutes. So 60 minutes is the cooling period. After that, whichever limit you have selected, you can just transfer that. Now, if you want to immediately transfer the amount to beneficiary account or payee account, then in that case you can select quick transfer option. After 60 minutes, you will be able to see the beneficiary account directly in fund transfer page. So let's go to the home page, and next time if you go to fund transfer, you can see this is how you will be able to see the account once it is added. Next time you can just simply select it and tap on pay option to do the transaction. So this is how simple it is to add beneficiary or payee account in YONO SBI application. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.